Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part is a mineable coin that for the most part is presently exchanged at $0.071852 per unit, with the market capitalization of $10,185,918,558, that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital money, which essentially is very critical. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently basically turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for sort of retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for in every practical sense. Huge institutional financial backers who especially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an essentially powerful in a real sense fence against expansion that takes a for the most part weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive manner. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its kind of current standings, as well as the mid-term and certainly long-haul cost expectation that generally depends on the readings of our truly exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, which is very huge. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly remains at $0.071852, and this very specific advanced resource essentially stands firm on the 10th footing in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, in opposition to mainstream thinking. For sort of your data, the by and large positioning of each and every digital money certainly is vigorously dependent on its sort of current market capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to, which truly is very critical. Likewise, to especially get a kind of better generally handle of the market circumstance and generally grasp the overall heading of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance, it's likewise vital to for the most part dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on November 8, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly remained at $0.073518 at the end of the fundamentally day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 4.38% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost. 7 days prior, on November 2, the Dogecoin market essentially remained at $0.068832 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Or so they by and large thought. As the outcome, the cost generally moved by 0% corresponding to its in every practical sense present standing. A month prior, on October 9, Dogecoin certainly was estimated at $0.058780, which truly concurred with our cost expectation for that by and large specific period. Contrasted with the especially present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 22.24% cost move in an unpretentious manner. At the point when it essentially comes to digital currencies, alongside its especially generally notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a kind of large manner. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a by and large key pointer to really be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, a sort of huge way. It fundamentally is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that in every practical sense are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the kind of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by really remains at $0.071852 in an essentially significant manner. Considering that recipe, we truly have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to basically be at $10,185,918,558. Which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those truly present on the digital money market, showing that we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its kind of current standings. As well as the mid-term and long-haul cost forecast that basically depends on the readings of our very restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, or so they basically thought. Yesterday, on November 8, the market capitalization of Dogecoin explicitly remained at $10,423,2085. Keep going week, on November 2, the certainly aggregate sum of certainly capital gave to Dogecoin fundamentally was laid out at $9,750,528,150, the information from a month prior, enlisted on October 9. By and large shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $8,308,375,665 in a significant manner. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that especially have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made and truly are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' cool wallets in an unpretentious manner. The essentially all-out supply likewise considers any coins that most certainly have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. It can, in every practical sense, be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that basically is public on the financial exchange in an unobtrusive manner. The truly all-out supply of Dogecoin right now basically remains at 141,763 176,384 Doge, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock generally is the most usually involved certainly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. It relates with the very best estimation of the kind of generally speaking number of coins that generally are public on digital money trades and explicitly add to their liquidity, or so they generally thought. Their volume doesn't generally incorporate the coins that are vested, marked in truly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use in an unobtrusive manner. The flowing inventory for the most part is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange in a quite huge way. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin for the most part is assessed at 141,763 176,384 Doge. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can especially assist one with deciding commonly better section and leave focuses on the grounds that is indicated by the standards of specialized investigation, critical cost moves, pattern inversions. Or unions frequently in every practical sense happen at the cost levels that really are joined by generally genuinely high volume, since their huge cash for the most part had sort of become an integral factor, which is genuinely huge. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market explicitly was as per the following. Over the precise beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market sort of added up to $937,568,038. Which certainly shows that Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part is a mineable coin that most certainly is as of now exchanged at $0.071852 per unit. With the market capitalization of $10,185,918,558, that essentially makes it a mid-position digital currency in a quite enormous manner. Yesterday, on November 8, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting truly added up to $789,229.60 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on November 2, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $461,453,632, which in a real sense is very critical. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can assist you with evaluating for yourselves the by and large current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the by and large current course or making an inversion, which especially is genuinely critical. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, by and large, is our essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time, which is genuinely critical. It for the most part was made by the fundamentally in-house group of designers and market experts and essentially was utilized to test an assortment of beneficial exchanging and venture methodologies, an unobtrusive way. Key truth, which